Welcome to Christmas in July. In this video, we are taking a cold weather favorite and turning it into a frozen treat to help you beat the heat. Let's get started with a frozen hot chocolate. I'm going to need 12 ounces of chocolate chips, 6 tablespoons of sugar, and 8 teaspoons of cocoa powder. So now I'm going to pour my chocolate chips, my cocoa powder, and my sugar into the top of my double boiler. I don't have a double boiler, so I have to create my own. And I do that by just taking one pot and setting it inside another pot. So I fill the bottom pot with water and then put the other pot on top, and I make sure that it is seated nicely in the water. And I'm going to let this cook until the chocolate, the cocoa powder, and the sugar is melted. Once that's nicely melted, I'll add the milk. The chocolate is starting to melt. Now that the chocolate has melted, I'm going to add 2 cups of my milk. And you just have to add the milk slowly and then stir. You can see the chocolate mixture is starting to really thin out. The milk is being incorporated into the chocolate. It's looking delicious. This is the last of the 2 cups of milk before I move it to the blender and add the other 2 cups with a few other things. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now I'm ready to get my blender out. So now that I've got my pitcher halfway full of ice, I'm going to add my chocolate mixture. It smells delicious. Now we'll get the lid on and blend it up. All right, let's fill some glasses. Looks nice and frothy on the top. Now to make this really decadent, put a little whipped cream on top. You can also grate a little chocolate over the top. And this is is just Hershey's dark chocolate, but you can use milk chocolate or whatever it is you prefer. There are all kinds of chocolate that you can use to make this with, some of them much more decadent than others, but I thought I would just show you how to make this frozen hot chocolate treat using things that you probably already have around your home. And if you really want to kick it up a notch with a little peppermint hot chocolate, add a little peppermint stick. That just really brings in the Christmas season. And don't worry if you miss the ingredients that I used to make this frozen hot chocolate. I will put it in the description box below just so you can find it easily. Please hang with me for Christmas in July. I will be bringing you Christmas in July inspirations every Saturday until July 25th, which is the day of Christmas in July. And on Christmas July Eve, we'll be giving away a holiday apron. And the first winner of my Christmas in July series is Lois Campbell. Lois made the very first comment about the Christmas in July series, so she gets the first Christmas gift. And Lois said this: "Hi Denise, I watched you and Rachel on the replay and enjoyed it very much. I follow her on YouTube and Facebook. I'm looking forward to your upcoming Christmas in July series." So making comments pays. So the winner for the next Christmas in July giveaway, which will be on July 17th, will be chosen from this video, randomly selected. So make sure you leave a comment so that you can be in the running for the next gift. And what does Lois get? Well, she's receiving this set of 2 poinsettia bonbon plates. So when she sets out her Christmas decorations, she'll have 2 pretty little bonbon dishes to put candies or peppermints or whatever she chooses on these little plates. So be sure to come back for each of our Christmas in July celebrations and leave a comment. This video is brought to you by Apron Diva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. And just in time for Christmas, we have in this red, white, and green plaid apron to help you celebrate the Christmas holiday in style. Pick one up for yourself or gift it to the cook in your life at aprondiva.com. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you're not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out another of my homemaking stories, and I will see you next time. Cheers.